Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The Diagnostic Trouble Code, DTC P0723, indicates an intermittent failure of the output shaft, also known as the counter-shaft speed sensor, in the Honda Accord from the years 2012 to 2017. This particular component plays a critical role as it generates a pulsing signal that corresponds to the rotational speed of the output shaft. This information is essential for the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, to accurately gauge the vehicle's speed. The output shaft speed sensor is strategically located on the exterior of the transmission housing, allowing it to monitor the motion of the part gear directly. When the vehicle operates, if no signals or pulses are detected despite the shaft's movement, the PCM interprets this as a malfunction. Causes for such failure can include wiring issues or even internal problems within the sensor itself. Understanding the specific nature of this DTC is crucial for effective diagnostics and repairs. The output shaft speed sensor is fundamental for the vehicle's transmission system. When functioning correctly, it generates a continuous series of pulses that are utilized by the PCM to monitor the vehicle's performance. Specifically, it measures the output shaft speed, which is vital for determining the best timing for gear shifts. This sensor is affixed to the transmission housing, making it accessible but susceptible to environmental factors that could lead to failure. If the sensor fails or experiences issues such as an open circuit, a short to ground, or a temporary disconnection, it sends no data to the PCM. Consequently, the PCM flags a fault and stores the DTC P0723. It is paramount to understand the location and role of this sensor when diagnosing the issue. Several possible causes can trigger the DTC P0723. An intermittent short to ground in the wiring can prevent the sensor from sending accurate signals to the PCM, thus leading to a malfunction. Similarly, an intermittent open circuit, which may occur due to a loose connector or complete disconnection, can also cause the sensor to become non-functional. In some cases, the issue may lie within the sensor itself, indicating an internal failure that needs replacement. Lastly, a PCM error can also be a potential cause, although it is less common. A thorough examination of each of these possibilities is crucial in pinpointing the exact cause of the DTC. The symptoms related to DTC P0723 can significantly affect vehicle performance. Most commonly, the malfunction indicator lamp, MIL, will illuminate, indicating a problem that requires attention. Additionally, the automatic transmission, AT, gear position indicator may begin to blink intermittently, alerting the driver to a malfunction in the transmission system. Drivers may also experience irregularities in vehicle shifting, as the PCM relies heavily on accurate data from the output shaft speed sensor for optimal gear changes. If these symptoms present themselves, it's essential to conduct a thorough diagnostic check to resolve the underlying issue. The first troubleshooting step for addressing the DTC P0723 is to start the engine and ensure the vehicle is operational. After the engine is running smoothly, the next step is to drive the vehicle at a minimum speed of 13 miles per hour or 20 kilometers per hour. This speed is crucial for the system to engage and perform the diagnostic checks necessary for detecting any malfunctions in the output shaft speed sensor. The vehicle should be shifted through gears from first to up to sixth to ensure comprehensive testing. This procedure must only be executed where traffic regulations permit and under safe ambient conditions, which allows the system to assess its performance under normal driving conditions. Following the initial step, the next part of the troubleshooting process involves utilizing the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to check for any active diagnostic trouble codes. This step is fundamental in confirming if the P0723 DTC is still present or if any additional codes have appeared that may shed light on the issue. The HDS can provide deeper insights into the vehicle's operational status by scanning for pending or confirmed DTCs, which can assist in determining systemic issues. It will also help identify whether the PCM has recorded any freeze-frame data that could offer clues about the vehicle's condition at the time of the fault occurrence. It is essential to follow these steps meticulously to gain a clear understanding of the malfunction. After completing the necessary repairs aimed at resolving the issues highlighted by the DTC P0723, it's important to conduct a final verification. This involves testing the vehicle once more to ensure that the repairs have effectively resolved the problem. The vehicle should be driven under similar conditions as previously, allowing the PCM to reassess the output shaft speed sensor's functionality. Once the testing is complete, check the DTC status to confirm that the code has been cleared successfully. A successful clearance indicates that the issue has been resolved and that the sensor is now functioning within the prescribed parameters, ensuring optimal vehicle performance. Implementing preventive maintenance practices can be highly beneficial in avoiding future occurrences of DTC P0723. Regular inspections of wiring connections leading to the output shaft speed sensor can be vital in preempting disconnections or shorts that may lead to sensor failure. Consideration should also be given to monitoring the performance of the sensor, especially in relation to shifting patterns and vehicle speed readings. Routinely scheduled maintenance can help identify potential issues before they become significant faults, reducing downtime and repair costs. By adopting these practices, vehicle owners can enhance the longevity and reliability of their Honda Accord's transmission system. In conclusion, understanding the implications of DTC P0723 is crucial for maintaining the Honda Accord's optimal performance. The intermittent failure of the output shaft speed sensor can arise from various causes, including wiring issues and sensor malfunctions. Thus, thorough diagnostic checks using tools such as the HDS are essential for identifying and rectifying the problem. Addressing symptoms like the MIL illumination and irregular shifting with timely repairs can prevent further complications. Moreover, adopting preventive maintenance practices can help ensure long-term functionality and reliability of the vehicle's transmission system. Awareness of these key points will contribute to better vehicle management and fewer unexpected repairs. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.